everyone, as you all know me, I'm your science teacher Miss Rija, and today we will discuss about week 3 and week 4. And week 3 is characteristics of living things. All living things breathe, feel, grow, move, eat and reproduce. All living things are made of cells. The cell is the basic unit of life. An animal cell has cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm, vacuole, and a plant cell has cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm, vacuole, cell wall, and chloroplast. Plant cells and animal cells both have a cell membrane. They both contain cytoplasm and nucleus. A plant cell has one large vacuole and an animal cell has many small vacuoles. Plant cells also contain cell walls and cytoplasm. All living things. Living things need food in order to perform their life processes. Food gives them energy. Both plants and animals take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide when they respire. They use the oxygen to break down their food in order to obtain energy. Most animals move from place to place in search of food, water, shelter, and avoid danger. This movement is called locomotion. Living things respond or react to things which happen in their environment. We depended on each other. All living things need air, water, minerals, light, and warmth. Animals and plants depend on each other for life. Plants provide humans and other animals with food. They also produce the oxygen that we breathe in. Humans and other animals take in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is needed by plants to make food. Frogs are amphibians. They also lay eggs called sperm in water. Tadpoles hatch out of the eggs. The tadpoles grow legs and lose their tail to become frog. Now let's talk about the other topic. The topic is solid, liquid, and gas. Everything in the world is made up of some materials, and matter is made up of particles. Matter has 3 states: solid, liquid, and gas. Everything in the world that has mass and occupies space is matter. Even air is matter because it has mass and occupies space. All matter in the world is made up of tiny particles. These particles are so small that we cannot see them. Particles are always moving about. In some things, the particles move about a lot. In other things, the particles only vibrate because they are packed close together. Matter and its forms. Matter is found in 3 states or forms. These states are solid, liquid, and gas. For example, water in any form is made up of only of water particles. Everything in the world, either a solid, a liquid, a gas, a material or substance, is made up of a same kind of particle. In a solid, the particles are packed closely together. The particles are attached to each other. The force of attraction is very great because the particles are packed together. The particles in liquid are not packed together so closely. The force of attraction between the particles is not so strong. The particles move about freely. Liquids do have a defined volume, but they do not have a fixed shape. The particles in gases are not packed closely together. The force holding the particles together are very weak. This means that the particles are moving about all the time. They bounce off each other and shoot off in all directions. Gas do not have a fixed shape and they do not have a fixed volume. Heating and cooling can change the substance from one state to another. For example, if a liquid is heated, it can become a gas. If a solid is heated, it can become a liquid. Substance change state when they melt, boil, condense, or freeze. When candles melt or water boils, both changes from one state to another. No new substance are formed. This is a physical change.